Archaeological excavations show that in the 7th-6th millennia, the Mesolithic period was replaced by the Neolithic period. Researchers currently divide the Neolithic period into two stages, the non-ceramic Neolithic and the ceramic Neolithic. Material cultural samples of the Neolithic period were found in Gobustan monuments, Nakhchivan Kultepe, Kanlar, Shamutepe, and other monuments. Materials on the Neolithic and Transcaucasia in recent years have been significantly replenished with new finds, unfortunately yet not published. Neolithic sites were discovered on the Black Sea coast of Transcaucasia, Caucasus, and in Guddad area. Jafarzadeh, Rustamov, Muradova, and other scientists made important contributions to the study of Gobustan monuments. According to Rustamov, many animals were domesticated during the Neolithic period. The domestication of animals has formed the basis of the development of animal husbandry, which is one of the most important areas of production. One of the most important innovations of the Neolithic period was the emergence of pottery and weaving. Ceramic samples found in Gobustan and Kultepe show that the clay pots were made by weaving and were very rough. Previous technical methods were also used in the Neolithic period. The construction's remains found in the Neolithic layer of Kultepe give grounds to say that the constructions of rectangular, above-ground flats was mastered during this period. Kultepe houses were mainly built of seals. A comparison of the considered late Neolithic sites on the North Caucasus and Transcaucasia shows that in the Caucasus, the development of culture proceeded at a more intensive pace. While gathering and hunting still prevailed in the North Caucasus, they were already primitive agriculture in the areas south of the Caucasus Range, the main ones being near the estuaries of mountain rivers and streams. Despite the completely insufficient study of the Neolithic of the Caucasus, currently known monuments definitely describes to us the stage of culture, on the basis of which the metal was reclaimed and the society finally transitions from hunting and collecting to farming and cattle breeding.